In Lesson 3, we will conduct a horizontal analysis. Our learning objectives are perform horizontal analysis on an income statement and perform a horizontal analysis on a balance sheet. Analyzing trends within horizontal analysis. A comparison of one item on the financial statement with the same item on a previous period's financial statement is called a horizontal analysis. You're going to take the current period less the prior period, and the difference will either be positive or negative. If it's positive, it was an increase. If it's negative, it'll be indicated in parentheses to show decrease. You're going to take that difference and divide it by the prior year, and this will give us our horizontal analysis ratio. Again, the horizontal analysis ratio, if it's positive, will be an increase. If it's negative, will be indicated with parentheses as a decrease. And this is what it'll look like. Here's your income statement. You have your current year, your prior year. You find the difference, that's going to go under amount, and you take the difference divided by the prior year, and that'll give you your horizontal analysis ratio. On the balance sheet, it'll look identical. Current year, prior year, find the difference, take the difference over the prior year, and you'll have your percentage. So how could a 2% decrease in supply expense be an unfavorable trend? If management took actions that should have decreased supply expense by significantly more than 2%, then only a 2% decrease would be unfavorable. How does a publicly held corporation use horizontal analysis when reporting to the Securities and Exchange Commission? The document filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission contains a section titled Management's Discussion and Analysis of Financial Condition and Results of Operation. Management often uses these ratios to explain the current year's results of operations compared to previous years. Let's go ahead and go into the work together. Our assignment is to complete the horizontal analysis of Tri-State Pipes Corporation income statement as shown below. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the difference in our net sales. So $659,470.53 minus $642,189.81. The difference is $17,280.72. The next step is to take this amount and divide it by the prior year. So I'm going to divide by 642,189.81. This is going to give me 2.7. I'm going to round because of that 9. For the sake of time, and now that you have a better understanding of what you're going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the numbers. Again, we're going to find the difference, current, prior. This is going to give me $19,190.93. The percent divided by the prior year is going to give me 6.4. For my gross profit, this one actually is going to be a decrease if you put a negative sign, and our percent would be negative 0.6. Make sure you put the negative sign. The parentheses on the keyboard won't work. Our advertising expense, $1831.21, is an increase of 7.9%. Scroll down. Our salary expense is also negative, so negative 2,995.12, and our decrease is 3.1. Our uncollectible, $42,089.92. This is a 35.2% increase. Lastly, our income from operations is negative 6,385.10, 4.4. Make sure you're putting the negative. And this is actually a very short and sweet lesson.